Hello, I hope you're well. My name is Jack and it's Boxing Day today. I hope you've all had a nice Christmas. This vlog is going to go up later on today. I'm filming it now because I had nothing to upload today. I hope everyone had a nice Christmas. I hope everyone got what they wanted off War Santa. I'm filming on my phone today because Sophie's got the vlogging camera. She's been doing some videos recently. I'll put a link down below if you want to check out her channel. I've just been busy filming some shorts today. Everyone's kind of having a chill and doing their own thing, so I've just been working on some shorts. In fact, I'm going to show you in a second how I do my shorts because I've had a recent request to show off how I create them. But firstly, I'm going to quickly show you my main present that I got for Christmas. And this isn't like a flex or anything because I hate those videos where it's like, oh, look what I got. This is not what that is. To be fair, I didn't really want that much for Christmas, but there was a record I really wanted and I asked for the record and I got the record. So I thought I'd quickly just show you what it is. So this is the record I got. It's the Let It Be 50th anniversary box set. I've opened it up and it's just immense. You can see on the side it's got the new mix of Let It Be, and then it's got Get Back the Apple Sessions, and then there's a single version of Let It Be, and then another little album of other things as well. There's just loads on it, and it comes in this nice box. It's got a book. That big thing there is a big book all about the making of the record and what was on it, and you know who played on it, all that kind of stuff. And it's pretty cool. I might do an in-depth review of this at some point, even though I don't really do much record kind of videos on my channel. But it's really cool. I can't wait to see how it sounds. But other than that, I've been making some shorts. So YouTube Shorts is this really cool thing that they do now where it's essentially like TikTok. You scroll through and it's all these portrait videos, less than 60 seconds of just, well, anything. And I obviously do guitar ones. Did the TikTok thing for quite a while. And when YouTube started to do it, I thought, well, I'll upload to there as well. And it's great. Just did one of Do They Know It's Christmas Time by Band-Aid, and that got a few views, which is really cool. So I've just been filming some more there. But yeah, this is how I do it. So ignore the slightly messy setup on the floor, but I've got my pedal board down there, which I've recently done a couple of videos on. I'll put a link to that in the description too, and up here somewhere. So I've got my pedal board running stereo into my interface just there, and that goes into Logic. And I've got it panned right and left, and then the track I've just been doing. And then I put my phone portrait on this ring light, which I've stole from Sophie, and with a click of a button, it's like that, and it's really, really bright. And it's great because it looks really good, it sounds really good, and yeah, it's just a great way to make quick little videos, and I've really enjoyed the process of doing that. All the sounds I'm getting are from the Boss IR200, which again, I've done a video about. Please check it out if you fancy. It'll be up here somewhere. And that's all I've done today. I was going to go for a walk, but the weather is rather minging, so I've not bothered doing that. I'm probably going to spend the rest of the day getting some gear sorted because tomorrow I am going back into the studio to finish off the single that we started recording a little while ago called Safe With You. I'm really, really excited for people to hear that. We've only got the drums and acoustic guitar done so far, but tomorrow and Tuesday I'll be doing all of the guitars, the bass and the vocals. And then I've got a couple of guests appearing on it, which we'll get them recorded probably the week after that, something like that. And it's all going to come together really nicely. I honestly can't wait. There's quite a lot in the pipeline for next year to do with original music and YouTube. And I'm probably going to talk about that in another video. But I'm super excited for the year ahead. I'm probably not going to vlog the rest of the day. This is just a very quick video just to say Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, all that. I'll probably put a New Year's video out at some point. I hope you've all had a good one. It's been a great year for me, and I'm super grateful that people are coming back to watch. It's been great. I'm really, really happy. So thank you so much for watching. I've been Jack, and I'll see you on the next one.